right now we're in Atlanta, we're at ShippedCon, and you're probably wondering where Gilligan is, because he's the star of the show always, but Gilligan is actually at a rover. So a rover is kind of like a babysitter for your kids, but for dogs. And you just go on the app really quick, you get to vet the person, see pictures, see reviews, and make sure they're a good fit for you, and they're all over. So Gilligan is with his friend, probably laying in her bed, because that's how he is. So that makes it nice, and you don't have to worry about your dog. You don't have to stress about who's taking care of them. And we send Gilligan's organic food with him, his CBD oil, all of those things, because he's high maintenance. And it just makes it nice because it can get hot in here during the day since it's not plugged in to electricity. Now moving back to the bedroom, just take one step this way, we're in the bedroom. And here we have the organic mattress. So again, the van is non-toxic, and a mattress is a huge source of contamination, chemical leaching in the home, formaldehyde to flame retardants, to a host of other issues, not to mention cotton, and 60% of the cotton going back into the food system, and it's sprayed with GMOs. And so this is a Hapsy mattress. I am very proud to work with them. I love them, and they're a fantastic brand. They're GOT certified, and that's the highest certification you can get on non-food organic items. So this is our bed. It's a queen. So if someone says you can't live comfortably in a van, you can. This is super comfortable. And we have some shelving on the side I can't get to. It's kind of back there, but that's all empty. We have so much space in this van, and you could put so much more in here. Like, you have so much space. Now we have our bookshelf. This is super important. Just keep learning, keep reading, keep experiencing new things and reading about new stories. And so we love our bookshelf. And one of the things that I wasn't super concerned about in the van was having a lot of clothes. So this is all of the clothes that I own in this little box, and it's actually filled with other things that aren't clothes. So it's nice. You only end up wearing like 4 pairs of clothes anyways when you live in a van. This is Tommy's clothes, and then this is our not junk drawer, because I refuse to have a junk drawer. And my favorite part is the pantry. So most people think this is a closet or a bathroom, but again, I don't care about clothes. So this is my pantry. So in here, we have some brands that have sent us products. So we're growing mushrooms and sprouts and lavender in the van, and showing how you can do that in a small space. We have our non-toxic cleaning supplies. We use Branch Basics, and we use Dr. Bronner's primarily. We have some of Gilligan's products, because like I said, he's a high maintenance dog. And then we have all of our glass jars in here. So we use mostly, just mason jars, Kilner jars. We have some stasher bags. So these are all alternatives to plastic that you can be using. You can buy pasta sauce and reuse the jar to store other food in. You really don't need to use plastic. So coming out of the pantry, we get the things. We make our dinner. Now that we're making our dinner, what do? We have a small sink. What dishes do we use? Are we using disposable plates? No. So it can be super easy if you live in a van to just buy disposable items, toss them out, burn them in your fire. But again, we're trying to cut back on single-use items. So we actually just use either bamboo material plates or glass plates. We live just like we would in a normal home, and when we're done with them, we put them in the sink. We use Dr. Bronner soap, and we boil hot water if there's any fat on the plates, and we clean them.